Hey, getting ready for the weekend? So am I. But I wanted to make sure that you had a really nutritious and yummy recipe for your big salad. So here's the deal. A lot of the store-bought items for salad dressings are loaded with a lot of preservatives, dairy, and refined sugar. No bueno for your digestion. We want to make sure that your good intentions are not undermined when you're using a lot of nutrient-dense, enzyme-rich, leafy greens and other raw veggies for your salad. So check out the recipe and let me know how it goes. It's a little on the creamier side, so it's a transitional option, and we can lighten them up as we go into the future weeks. This is the deal. I want to make sure that your level of cleansing and detox is always elevating. So eat a big salad before your cooked food because the raw foods are going to move through your body much faster. And those enzymes and minerals that are contained in the leafy greens are going to create motion in your gut. They're going to help draw out things that are kind of stuck and making you feel sallow and low energy. So we really want to make sure that any cooked food you eat after is going to have a quick exit, and salads are one of the easiest ways to achieve that. All right, enjoy this weapon of mass nutrition. Let me know how it goes, and you can always post in social media if you have any questions. I'll see you soon, and enjoy your weekend.